start this company to make sure that the best shaped technologies will protect the future generations. I'm originally from Mariupol, and our city in 2022 was one of the biggest grief memories for Ukrainians. Full-scale invasion, it was the most horrible part, with starving and constant shelling and bombarding the city. So one of my biggest motivations is to use technologies for two reasons. I want to protect future in Denmark, in Ukraine, from regimes like this. And the second one, I want to go back to liberated city and see the grave of my own home. Here we have great co-working, great network, scientific support from DTI. In Denmark, maybe in Europe, is no better place to start growing as a robotics company as Odense Robotics. That's why we are here.